CMT presents the Extreme DPX series, a line of panel sizing blades crafted from special ultra-durable X-Hard nano-grain carbide for precision cuts and extreme performance. Made in Italy by CMT Orange Tools, these blades are crafted for unmatched precision and durability. Their unique design ensures superior performance, making them the go-to choice for professional woodworkers. Our advanced blade technology guarantees longer lifetime, increased stability, and smooth and meticulous cutting. The DPX Extreme series are the top choice for panel sizing because they cut more efficiently, deliver higher quality cuts, reduce machine downtime, save energy, and significantly extend the lifespan of your equipment. Thanks to high-grade carbide tips enhanced with X-Hard nano-grain, these blades minimize chipping and prevent wear for extended durability. The cutting teeth are manufactured using an exclusive high-pressure sintering process, and the infusion of nano-grade carbide powders ensures that the cutting tool is free of porosity, extremely hard and compact. As a result, the cutting teeth slice through materials with extreme ease and accuracy, and their distinctive design allows dust to flow quickly and cleanly away from the blade surface. Innovative slots are engineered for superior vibration dampening, ensuring quieter, high-quality cuts every time. The CMT Extreme Balancing feature in Extreme DPX blades promotes safety by reducing noise and vibration, ensuring a smoother, quieter, and safer cutting experience. Extreme DPX blades were created to enhance panel size production even when dealing with minor material impurities. They ensure consistent, reliable output for all your woodworking projects. Our graph demonstrates a 300% increase in production efficiency, showcasing the remarkable performance of Extreme DPX blades. Extreme DPX blades are perfectly suited for cutting melamine, laminated materials, particle board, and MDF with exceptional efficiency and precision. CMT consistently prioritizes client needs. By investing in extensive research and development, CMT delivers the best woodworking products available. This blade series outperforms the competition, lasting up to 4 times longer, saving you time and money. Extreme DPX blades ensure clean cuts and smooth operation with patented balancing holes, providing flawless results every time. Trust in CMT for superior panel sizing. Experience exceptional quality and performance with CMT Extreme DPX blades. Discover the full range of our products at www.cmtorangetools.com.